Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to use Keyword Planner tool, that is by Google. So just start with that. Type the word Keyword Planner. I have already typed that. Just type this thing in the Google search box. Then it will show you the results like Google AdWords, Keyword Planner, AdWords, Help. But you have to select this one because this is the actual tool which is going to help you in keyword research. Now it is asking me to sign in. So definitely if you are not having a Gmail account, so just make one and sign in to this with the help of that email account. So I already have that account. I would say press it and I'm logging into my account, Keyword Planner. Yeah, so it is asking me to start over or resume because I was just doing the same thing moments ago, but I would say to start over. Now you will come up landing onto this page. So just select the first one, okay, that is search for new keyword and add group ideas. Select this one and this box will appear and it is asking you about enter one or more of the following, your product or your service. So you have to type that keyword, what you want people to search in Google so that they land up on your particular website or your web page. That can be anything, your blog, your YouTube channel, whatever it is. So let us start by typing. Suppose you are giving the services of, I would say, plumbing. So let us type plumbing into this. Now you don't have to type anything in your landing page, your product category. Just scroll down. Now it is asking you targeting. If I press this, it is showing me what is targeting. See ideas, statistics or traffic estimates for the settings that you select. Ideas. Find keyword and add group ideas for the language setting that you select. Historical statistics, traffic estimates. So this is very much specific to what people have searched in the past, but what you have to take into consideration is this word. Suppose you are giving your services only in the US and you want to target only US as a market. So let us type USA and it is giving me the result US country. So you just select onto this and move further. You don't have to select any of these. This was preset, just don't take this into consideration, leave it. Now select get ideas. This is loading and you'll find this dashboard which is having whatever you type on the top and the country you type, that is United States over here, and now this is showing me the results. But you don't have to take this thing, you just have to switch on to this tab, that is keyword ideas over here. Just click over this. Now the results are getting developed according to your keyword that you type, that is plumbing. Now the results are in columns, that is showing me the keywords by relevance. The relevance here is related to the word you typed in this box over here. So it is showing me plumbing services, uh, plumbing supply, plumbing companies. So it will show me how many results, that is according to its past experience and what people have typed. It is showing me around 800 keywords. So you can just scroll and go through all of these and select which is very relevant to your website or your service. Suppose your website is giving plumbing services, so this keyword is relevant to your website, so you can take this keyword into consideration. Now the point is that should you take this keyword or not. Now if we come over this column, it is average monthly searches and competitions. You don't have to take this column that suggested, what is this, suggested bid and all, because this is related to Google AdWords, and we are not talking here about Google AdWords. We'll talk about that in the later videos. Now this is showing competition as well and suggested bid as well, so just you don't have to take into consideration these two columns. Just hover over this column, it is showing the average monthly searches. Now what does this column specify? It specifies, it gives me the ideas, uh, and sorry, the number of monthly searches in average people are searching for this particular word, that is plumbing services. So 5400 people are generally searching for this keyword, and suppose for this keyword, that is plumbing supply, the number of people in an average, those who are searching for this keyword, is 60,500 in the US only, because you have targeted the country as US, so it is showing you specifically the results related to the US only. So now, on the basis of what services you provide, you have to select which keyword is most relevant to your website. Now you generally take into consideration the highest monthly searches, because obviously you want more and more people onto your website for increasing your traffic, because this result is based on the previous searches that people have made into Google, and Google has recorded that and showing you those results and the number of results. So on this basis you can select which of these keywords that is here is relevant to your website and your service. So you will select that particular keyword and whose monthly average search is very high. Now I told you that you don't have to take into consideration this competition because this is related to Google AdWords, but another thing that you have to take into consideration is competition whenever you type this keyword that you have selected in Google search result. So I'll copy this and paste in, suppose, Google search, and it is giving me these results, but this is specific to all over the world because I haven't typed specifically the place, so I'll just select USA. But in your case, if you're sitting in the US, you don't have to type it because Google will automatically decide from which place you are searching. So it is giving me results and I have to see this number. This is around I would say 13 million. So this is a tough competition to look out for. So the competition I was talking about, you don't have to take this into consideration, but the number of results you are getting here, so that this is showing that with how many people you have to compete. So if this number is less, so definitely you don't have to work very hard and optimize that hard your website. But if this result is very high, then you have to work very hard for this particular keyword, because this keyword is giving too many of competition, too much of high competition. So you have to choose your keywords wisely on the basis that whose average monthly searches are high and the competition is also low, because only those keywords you'll select and you might get a better ranking in Google search results. So at last I would say select your keywords by a lot of research in keyword planner and typing your keywords in the Google search box. So this is it for this time. Have a nice day. Bye bye.